My dear students, our next topic is what happens if the egg is not fertilized. So we have already seen that when a girl child is born, the ovaries already contain thousands of immature eggs, and on reaching puberty, some of these eggs start maturing, and one egg is produced every month by one of the ovaries. So this is what happens in case of a female. Now let us move to the question, what happens if the egg is not fertilized? Now see here children, before discussing about what happens if the egg is not fertilized, let us first go through what happens if the egg is fertilized. Then we can go through the question what happens in case of non-fertilization. Now as I have already told you that from one of the ovaries, one egg will get matured and it will be gradually released out from the ovary and it will be moving towards the fallopian tube. So here at a place in fallopian tube, it will remain for some days, and if at all, if a sperm meets with the egg, fertilization will take place and a zygote will be formed. So that is why the site of fertilization is fallopian tube. Now after fertilization, a single-celled zygote will be formed and the zygote will undergo continuous mitotic division, and a single-celled zygote divide into two so that it will become two-celled, then 2 to 4-celled, then it will again undergo mitotic division and it will become a 8-celled embryo. So we can call at this stage 8-celled embryo stage or morula. M-O-R-U-L-A, morula. So at this 8-celled stage, its next step is it will be shifted towards the uterus. So this is what happens in case of pregnancy. Now this embryo will be shifted towards the uterus. So in order to nourish the future fetus, so embryo will become fetus. So in order to nourish the fetus, the walls of the uterus become more and more thicker and spongy, and it will be richly supplied with blood vessels to nourish the growing embryo. So the entire nourishment of the growing embryo is provided by the walls of the uterus. So this thickening of the walls of the uterus is a prior preparation to nourish the embryo. So this is what happens if the egg is fertilized. So if the egg is fertilized, a zygote will be formed and the zygote will be later changed into an embryo and it will be shifted towards the uterus. So this is what happens if the egg is fertilized. Now let us see what happens if the egg is not fertilized. Now listen here children, as I have already told you, one of the egg from one of the ovaries will be released alternatively from one of the ovaries. So one egg will be released in 1 month and this egg will remain in the fallopian tube for some days, and if no sperm reaches here in order to fertilize the egg, that is no fertilization is taking place, so the egg will remain as egg and it will not get converted into zygote or no fertilization will take place. The reason is no sperm is reaching here to fertilize the egg. So in such a case, the entire preparation, as it is like suppose if the egg fertilizes, the uterus has to prepare itself to receive the embryo. So here what happens is the egg will remain as such without fertilization, but on the other hand we can see the walls of the uterus become thicker and spongy with richly supplied with the blood vessels, because the aim of uterus is to receive the fertilized egg, but here no fertilization is taking place, then the entire preparations of the uterus become in vain, or we can say it as the preparations of the uterus become no use, and this will result in the breakdown and removal of the inner thick layer of the, that is the uterus will become more thick, spongy, and it will be supplied with the blood vessels. So the entire preparations of the uterus become no use and all these thickenings will removed out from the uterus through the vagina in the form of blood. So this blood and mucus. So this process is called as menstruation. So this cycle of events taking place in the ovaries and uterus every 28 days or roughly 1 month and marked by the menstrual flow, or it is also named as menstruation. And it will last for about 2 to 8 days. So this is regarding menstrual cycle. Now for the question, what happens if the egg is not fertilized? Answer is menstruation will take place. So the simple one word answer is, what happens if the egg is not fertilized? Menstruation will take place. And what is menstruation and what is important? You can study from this portion.